Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a tech news roundup that feels like science fiction, but it's actually happening right now. Neuralink is about to test a chip that translates thoughts into text. Intel and Nvidia, yes, rivals, are suddenly teaming up. Albania just appointed an AI minister to fight corruption. Suno promises a music revolution with its upcoming version 5. And a new model called Delphi 2M can predict diseases 20 years before they appear. Buckle up, it's the future knocking on our door, and it's not even asking for permission.
Let's start with Neuralink. This October, Elon Musk's company begins human trials of a brain implant designed to turn thoughts into text. Imagine sitting in a meeting and your thoughts accidentally show up on the screen. Out loud, you're saying, "Great idea, boss," but the chip types, "When is lunch?" For now, the trials focus on people with speech impairments, but Neuralink hopes that by 2030, healthy individuals will also get the implant, allowing direct communication with AI. Basically, Musk doesn't just want Twitter on your phone, he wants Twitter in your brain.
Next up, an alliance that gamers and engineers didn't see coming. Intel and Nvidia are joining forces. No, this doesn't mean we'll get a GeForce i9 RTX Ultra Turbo chip, although that does sound kind of awesome. Here's what's real. Nvidia invested $5 billion into Intel. Together, they'll work on next-generation processors for AI, data centers, and personal computers. Translation: computers will get faster, AI will get smarter, and gamers will definitely get poorer.
Now, here's a headline straight out of a sci-fi novel. Albania has appointed a virtual AI minister named Diella. Diella isn't human. She's an AI system that already helped citizens through the e-Albania platform. Over 1 million interactions, documents, services, digital paperwork. Now she's promoted to oversee government tenders and ensure they're 100% corruption-free. Yes, you heard that right. In Albania, artificial intelligence is literally part of the cabinet. But here's the catch. Opposition leaders say it might be unconstitutional. Can a machine hold ministerial power? Who's responsible if the AI makes a mistake, or worse, gets hacked? Sounds like the world's first political thriller starring a chatbot.
Moving to music. Suno, the AI music generator, is preparing for version 5. They're calling it revolutionary, which probably means your fridge will soon produce better songs than half the pop charts. Version 4.5 already creates surprisingly professional tracks with full vocals and instrumentals. With V5, we're expecting even more control over instruments, mixing, and lyrics. This could reshape the music industry. Imagine a Spotify where half the songs are AI made. Let's just hope the AI musicians don't go on strike for royalties.
And finally, medicine. Researchers introduced Delphi 2M, a model that can predict a person's risk of developing diseases up to 20 years in advance. Picture this. Your doctor says, "You're perfectly healthy now, but in 2045, you'll have back pain." The model analyzes medical records, lifestyle data, and thousands of variables. Early results are impressive. It can foresee risks for more than 1,000 conditions. If proven reliable, this could change healthcare entirely. Doctors preventing illnesses instead of just treating them. Of course, questions remain: ethics, data privacy, and accuracy. But the potential is groundbreaking.
So, to wrap up, Neuralink wants us to chat with AI using just our thoughts. Intel and Nvidia are building the processors of the future. Albania put an AI in government. Suno is making music without humans. And Delphi 2M might tell us what diseases we'll face decades ahead.
Put it all together, and by 2030, we'll be sitting with a brain chip listening to AI-generated songs powered by Intel and Nvidia chips, while already knowing what medicine we'll need in 20 years. The future isn't coming slowly, it's sprinting toward us. Don't miss it. Subscribe, drop a like, and tell me in the comments which of these stories blew your mind the most.